a Bored Ape Yacht Club dating app gets canceled before it can even launch. The Lonely Ape dating app was announced in February of this year, billing itself as the first NFT-focused dating app. It included features like Coin Digger, could be a Kanye remix, where you were gonna match yourself with a higher net worth individual. And then recently, they announced that the app was canceled because too many bros were on the app. BuzzFeed reported that the entire project was just one big joke. The founder replied that there was too many bros with a winky face emoji.